Hi guys, I've gotten a few emails that you're having a little trouble understanding how to use the interactive map and the quiz that goes with it. So I'm just going to give you a real quick rundown. If you're having any trouble, you can watch this and hopefully understand how it works. So to get into that, you're going to want to go to this, the scavenger hunt. This says complete before the VC because we're playing a game based on it. So you'll want to have these answers ready at your fingertips. So first thing that you're going to want to do is click this link. It says it's the medieval era map. Okay, click that link and then it'll open up in another tab for you. So this is the map that we're working on. And the way that the quiz is organized, and I think Mr. Denmark told you this in his video too, so if you've watched that, you know a little bit about this, but the way that the quiz is organized is that it tells you where to look. So this is about historical documents. Okay, so historical documents, so that means on the map, I'm going to look at the little document symbols. Okay, so I'm going to look all around here and it pulls up each one. So let's take a look at, I think that's it. We can just look at any random one. Okay, this one. So you'll click here and it'll bring up a little article for you to read. You read through here, and this information is where you'll find what you need for the quiz answers. So some ways to make it a little bit faster so you don't have to click on every single symbol is that you can look in here and see what your options are and then search for these. So let's say I want to look for the papal bull of 1454. So then I'll go to my map and I can search it. I can type papal bull up here and search, and it'll show me all the articles about that. So this one is specifically about what I'm looking for. So I'm going to click on that one. Then I can read through here, and the description is this document from the Pope to the Portuguese gave them power over all the lands they would discover on their voyages down the coast of Africa and the Atlantic. Okay, and so on. So then when I go back to the map, or back to the quiz, I can just look for that description. And that's a little bit easier than trying to look for the description and then matching it over here. So go with these ones over here because they're the titles. Okay. And then, oh, look, there it is, the document given to the Portuguese. So that's the one that I would choose for the papal bull. So look at that. If you've watched this video, you've already got one answer. And then when you go to here, you'll find weather patterns. That's the geography one that looks like the little swoopy, windy symbol. And you'll look around at these and see what matches the question that you're looking at. And as you go through, same thing, you'll just work through in the same way. Okay, I hope that helps, guys. There's also the timeline at the bottom. Don't forget to sort of peruse that, look through that, and have a little fun looking through all of these. But if they're getting cumbersome, definitely use that search up at the top to look for those key pieces. And then, guys, keep this information available because we're playing a game with it. And if you know this information, you will dominate in our VC game, and there is a prize at the end. So email me if you have any other questions. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.